Hello, my name is Airi, and in this video I wanna compare Astra vs Airi WordPress themes. So at the moment at the screen you are seeing Astra theme blog page as I'm scrolling down, and on Airi theme you as well seeing the blog page as you can see. I will show you how to create nice blog page by using Airi theme. Let's shortly give me a review what happened. In the previous tutorial I created the blog page and blog post pages with the Astra free theme. As we can see at the screen at the moment, it is the what kind of the page we're having. It's nice. If you press on that, it's having some post as well. But what I found that in Airi theme you have much better flexibility. So let's do it. We could compare those two and you could decide it which one you love better and use it. First we're gonna go to my website, airi.com, press enter and then press to resources and you're gonna get Airi free WordPress theme. So press get it now. You're gonna transfer to the Airi theme and then you can download. Press download and we're asking enter your email address. You just enter your email address and subscribe and download. Yep, and should be download. So open it, save it. You have to press OK. Let's assume you have installed fresh WordPress website. If you don't have one, you can watch my tutorial how to get one. I will deposit the link somewhere here and will leave it in the video description. So let's log in on our website. And then you have to enter your details. That's my username and the password, and I press login. Yes, I just press the save it for the start, and as you can see we have actually its new WordPress website. So let's go to the appearance, themes, add new one, upload theme, and then browse, and then press on Airi and open and install now. And as you can see, theme installed successfully. We need to press activate and we activated the theme. So what we're gonna see, let's go and visit our new Mage's website and you can see it doesn't see any different. Basically it is like old one. We can preview if you want before. As you can see, this kind of website you can get straight away, and then you're gonna have a blog, this kind of blog, contact, about us, pages. So home, let's go to home, just preview we done it. So and import the site. Yes, importing, please wait. So let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, let's go and have a look what we can see. And as we can see, it has been imported. Let's go to our dashboard, go to the plugins, and we need to enable plugin first. Oh, we don't have Elementor. Install all, and we're installing all plugins. Let's go to plugins, activate Elementor, activate contact form, and activate MailChimp. For WordPress, activate web form slide. Okay, so go dashboard, go and visit our site and go to the blog page and then go to customizer and go to the blog and not archives, and then you have a grid option. And you can see if you press the grid option you can have a kind of this display. Classic, you can have this one, 2 columns, you can have this one, and let's say I like grid one very much. And then you can, if you wanna, you can delete something, but just, let's say, hide numbers of comments. Let's leave it like this. Publish, go back, press on this one, on single text and single tag post. Default, let's say you can disable sidebar if you don't want, you can leave it just what, but I suggest probably leave it for the blog post. Content area, layouts, it's not much different. I don't want it to leave elevate, so I'm just gonna leave it on default. Gonna go back to the widgets, to the sidebar, and I don't wanna this one. I just remove archives. Let's say living, categories. Let's say living, removed, metadata, recent post, add widget, recent post with thumbnails. As you can see, recent post with the thumbnails I like much more. And I don't like the recent post without thumbnails, so I just remove this. Archives, categories, let's say leaving like this. Publish, back, hide, controls. And as you can see, you have so amazing blog post. And if we're gonna go here, and as you can see, it looks brilliant. It looks amazing. If you could say with the Astra theme, what you can have, Astra theme, you can have like this. Let's create few new posts. So go to the WordPress dashboard, press post and add new, write title that you're gonna copy and paste, set future image, upload, select file, gonna upload first one, set future image, publish. I should as well type some text. And then the picture, media library, we're gonna select same and update. You can select the size if you want, you can make smaller, how do you like. Let's say do a bit smaller, 75%. And what option we have? Align center, init center. Update. We can create category. Let's say add new category, and we're gonna call fitness. Add new category and select this one. Tag. You can write any tag if you want. Like I just gonna leave empty. Update. Add new. The title, some text. Okay, let's go to the select future image, upload file, select, second one, open, set future, and we're gonna insert some text, some picture. We're gonna insert some picture, media library, select picture, select 75, and let's align center, publish, add new, some text, go back, in the title, select future image, upload file, select, and we're gonna select this picture this time. You should as well write image title and paste as well on the alt text, because that helps for search engines. So select image, I'm just gonna do quick, I'm not doing this one, and this image, media library, select the picture, select, and align center, let's say do 75%, publish what we forget last time. If we're gonna go here, just put in fitness category and update, and add new post. Okay, we can go and add picture, upload file, select number 4, select, start typing. Okay, we're just because I didn't create this text, I'm gonna show the source. You always should do that. If you don't copy something, just leave some benefits for the creators. And then picture, media library, this one, select this one, center, and 75%. Going to document, fitness, publish. If we're going to all post, we create an edit, and just go put on the fitness and disable this update. Dashboard, visit site, going to the blog. As we can see, our blog post has been made, and you can see recent post with like just it's nice, and then which day has been created, and fitness, and you can select, let's say fitness. It's gonna show then only fitness, and you if show digital, and if you're gonna go back to the blog, you can go blog, and then you press on it there and you're reading. So as we can see, posts don't have any pictures, so that's showing from the thumbnail. But if we're gonna press another one, it have one from the thumbnail and one in there. So it's down to you. If you wanna put a picture inside here and don't show here, so you have to go to customizer, and then you have to go to blog, single post, and hide post thumbnails. And you see it's not gonna show, but gonna show the picture there. But it's a bit tricky. If you're gonna publish, let's say you're gonna do this, and then those posts which one have a picture inside is still good look, but those one who don't have, it's gonna be without picture. So it's down to you how you're gonna create. You have a two option. If you put in a text down there, so then you can disable the picture on the top, or if you leave on the top, then you don't need to probably put in the text that the same picture. By doing this, by creating those kind of the blog, this one tutorial was about the Airi blog. So I have looked it on both websites. It on both teams is on Astra and on Airi. As you can see at the moment is a mobile view. By design you can recognize that. So we're gonna go to the customizer and customizer here, and we're going to the blog and index archive page, and in the blog archives page you can see what is different in here. You don't have in Astra team any flexibility when compared with the Airi team. You have default. You can go back to show similar as an Astra team, something like this. If we're gonna make bigger, so on the Astra team you just have one option, that's it. You can't disable, you can't change anything. On free version I'm talking. If you have paid one, then different story. And if we're going to the Airi team on same free version, you have grid, show like this. You can have a classic view, so similar, or two columns like this. About disabling those kind of things, you can as well like disable meta publish and comments and authors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have basically same options, meta tags and post structure. You just have future images you can disable if you want, then wouldn't be showing. Just this kind of thing. And then you have as well disabled the title or mega blog post. So just picture and text. I don't think it's good enough. And on Airi theme, by default, hide the post date, hide the category, thumbnail. You can hide the thumbnails if you want as well. And title you can't disable title. So you can see its difference, but is that make any big difference? Title, you probably want to keep title anyway, I would say. Now let's go to the page settings, single post and single post, and just press on some single post. We are here and press here, read more on a single post. So on a single post, I'm gonna make bigger screen. You see kind of screen like this. It looks quite nice. I can admit on Astra as well, you can disable just same things. So I don't think anything you can make better. On the Airi theme, you have no sidebar option if you want, but who want to do that? I don't think anyone want to do that. And layout side, you can have second one, just swapping the place for the image. It was on the top, it went down. So you can see on a single post, both themes working quite similar, but on the index page, it's big different what we can see. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and if you enjoyed this content, feel free to subscribe below and press notification bell, as if you will watch my videos, it will help you to create amazing websites. Bye bye!